Heri versus Anigate, Buth Cholum Barith Naite, Yath Garas Ye Vaite. This is the Kashmiri version of do at Rome as Romans do. The literal meaning is I came down the stairs in dark and washed my face from a pitcher filled with water. This is what suits this house. Hukmi hakim chu margi mafajat. It's basically denoting a situation where we need to immediately act upon the instructions of a doctor or someone who rules the land. The ruler and doctor's orders are like sudden death warrants and they must be carried out quickly. Hoin Mashidi Hund Jinn, the ghost of a deserted mosque. This is basically used to denote a situation where there is a lonely fellow in a deserted house. Hondur Kakna Vushnis Prarakna. This proverb is used by a person who wants to give a false excuse for not giving someone food to eat. The literal meaning is you will not eat cold or stale food and will also not wait for the new or hot food till it's cooked. Hoon ersin te koos ma ersin. It means may one be a dog but never be a younger one in a family. Generally, this is said because all the people in a family are always instructing the younger one to do something for them. So he or she is treated as a servant. Hoon kus ni te koos kus mangit ni. It means who will spare a dog and who will adopt a girl. Generally, this proverb is used in a situation where there is no profitable proposition in sight.